All right, so you're watching the How to Complete Elements poster video here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on this link. You're gonna sign up for an element. Say there's an element that you would really like to do. You can go look at it and find its atomic number and sign up for it. There's only one person per hour that can have it. So let's say I really wanted to do carbon. I would type my name in, say I was in hour 1 right here. Okay, make sure your name is in your column for your hour and your name is here. Once a name is there, you can no longer do that element. And say you didn't care. Let's say you're like, let's just do number 12. So you sign up for it. Let's say you're Mr. Just. Okay, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go, it's atomic number 12. I'm going to go to Safari and I'm going to Google, nice, atomic number 12. And it'll be magnesium, and that's my element. Okay, so then what you're going to do once you sign up is go to the document here. You're going to download it and send it to Notability. Okay, so elements, 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 making our element poster. Come on now. There we go. And create a new note. This is actually a new subject. It's Unit 3 matter. So I'm going to import it. And I'm going to open Notability. Unit 3 matter, element poster. Then this is what we're doing. So there's 18 different elements with their own characteristics. So these are the requirements. Poster needs to be completed digitally on this form. It must contain color, creativity, and organization. Each item should be labeled. So 5 uses for the element, or what scientists might use it for: symbol, name, atomic number, average atomic mass, common ions form, protons, neutrons, mass number, electrons, when it was discovered, created by, and who, is solid, liquid, or gas at room temp, and give the number and period it's in, melting point, boiling point, and a couple of pictures that it's used for. Okay, so if you didn't want to do it this way, you could do it with a Google slide and send it to me. But basically, you're just, say I wanted to do a text box here. Let's do 5 uses. And say I want to do bullet points in the bottom right. I'm going to click the bullets, bulleted, and then, or I could do numbered, whatever, and then like say whatever I wanted. Okay, melting, boiling point, and so forth. Okay, feel free to use the internet. So say if you didn't know what state it was at room temperature. So what I would do is just Google carbon, and so that's my element. I'm going to go to the Wikipedia page. Now for science, Wikipedia is actually pretty solid. It's not state of matter. But let's look here. I got group and period information in the upper right here. Over here, I have lots of information here as well. But the big piece that I want to show you is there's melting and boiling points for this information here as well. Where are we at? Okay. Maybe that's not a good example. Oh, sublimation points. That's when it goes from solid to gas. Let's see, maybe I can't find it here. That's fine. So what you're going to do in that situation is, I'm just going to say melting point of carbon. I can find that and search it. This is melting point. Okay, so then I can find it, boiling point. That means, you see it? This is the temperature that it goes from solid to liquid. So obviously your room temperature is well below that temperature, which means that it is solid below that temperature. Boiling point here, it would be liquid in between those two data points, in between these two temperatures, and it would be a gas over that. Okay, so maybe it won't say whether it's solid, liquid, or gas at room temp, but you can figure it out using the melting and boiling points. All right, guys, let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, you're just completing it. Remember, you get points for creativity, so make sure that you do your best